So, finally, we have some news related to the iPhone SE 4. So first up, let's talk about the launch date of the iPhone SE. The new iPhone SE is expected to launch this week, which is sooner than many anticipated. Mark Gurman confirmation about its arrival alongside iOS and iPad. iOS 18.3 has generated a lot of excitement. Now let's talk about the price increase of the iPhone SE. While there's a slight price hike, likely around $470, this still seems like a solid deal for a budget phone with Apple's latest tech, especially with a modern chipset and 5G support. Now, first up, let's talk about the 5G and Wi-Fi 7. The SE will feature Apple's custom-designed 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 chip, which should bring a performance boost and better connectivity. It's great to see Apple continuing to push its own silicon in budget devices. Now let's talk about the design of the iPhone SE. The design matches what was expected, with a notch on the front and a small horizontal camera module on the back, with an LED flash. This is in line with what many leaks and renders predicted. Now we have some news related to the rumors about a larger model. There were talks about a potential larger iPhone SE 4 Plus, but it seems unlikely now, and the focus is just on the regular SE model for this launch. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.